Good evening, students. What is linear and non-linear systems? In this, what is linear system and what is non-linear system? So, generally, a system it is said to be a linear system only if it satisfies the superposition principle. Then the system is said to be a linear system. And if the system it does not satisfy the superposition principle, it is a non-linear system. So here, what is the superposition principle is very important. So here the superposition principle it states what is that the response of the signal is equal to the weighted sum of the signals, which means that the response means what, output of the signal of total weighted sum of signals must be equal to the individual weight of sum of outputs. Already we have learned the superposition theorem in network analysis. What it states, the total response it must be equals to what, sum of the other inputs. So similarly here, what here the response of the signal is equal to the response of the signal of weighted sum of signals must be equal to the corresponding individual weight of the sum of outputs of a system. Then the system is said to be linear. So what is the condition for a system to be linear is transformation of a1 into x1 of n plus a2 into x2 of n is equals to, this is the response of the weighted sum of signals, that is equal to individual weight of sum of outputs. Individual means a1 into transformation of x1 of n plus a2 into transformation of x2 of n. This is what the superposition principle it states, that is weighted sum of signals, that is total weighted sum of signals must be equal to the individual weighted sum of outputs of a system. This is what the condition for a superposition principle. Here a1 a2 are the arbitrary constants. And now let us see one problem. Okay, so in that problem, whether they will be giving one system, we have to see that the system is either linear system or non-linear system, we have to say. So for that, here for example the question is just like y of n is equals to x of n plus 1 by x of n minus 1. So this is the question they have given, and we have to tell the system is a linear or non-linear system. So here in this system, first what we have to check, by superposition principle we have to check. So by superposition principle, what happens is, here the transformation of a1 into x1 of n plus a2 into x2 of n. Okay, transformation of a1 into x1 of n plus a2 into x1 of n. So here this is what the superposition principle, that is equals to what, a1 into transformation of x1 of n plus a2 into transformation of x2 of n. This is what the superposition principle already we have known. So in this, first we have to take the RHS. What is RHS in the superposition principle? A1 into transformation of x1 of n plus a2 into transformation of x2 of n. This is what the RHS. So in this, what already we have know, what is a system? I have said system is nothing but a device. System is nothing but a device which generates a output response for a given input sequence, that is denoted with what, that is y of n is equals to transformation of x of n. This is what the system definition generally. So from the system definition we can derive this RHS as a1 into transformation of x1 of n can be written as what, transformation of x of n is nothing but y of n. So transformation of x1 of n can be written as what, y1 of n plus again a2 into what is transformation of x2 of n, y2 of n. So we can derive just like this. Okay, that is a1 into y1 of n plus a2 into y2 of n. Next step, a1 into what is y1 of n, the question what they given the system y of n is y1 of n. సో హియర్ y1 అని ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం ఏం పెట్టుకోవాలంటే x1 of n అని పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో y of n క్వశ్చన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చినారు, y of n క్వశ్చన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చినారు, x of n ప్లస్ 1 బై x of n మైనస్ 1. సో y1 of n అంటే ఏం పెట్టుకుంటాం ఇక్కడ, x1 of n ప్లస్ 1 బై x1 of n మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ a2 ఇంటూ x2 of n plus 1 by x2 of n minus 1. So this is what the RHS we have derived. This is the equation. So now we have to consider the LHS. LHS ఏముంది మనకి, transformation of a1 into x1 of n plus a2 into x2 of n. This is what the superposition principle LHS. So in this, how we derive, this is total. So generally what we are having the system definition, y of n is equal to transformation of x of n. So here transformation లోపల ఉన్నదంతా ఏంటి మనకి, x of n. సో ఇదంతా కూడా ఏంటి మనకి, x of n. సో ఆ ప్రిన్సిపల్ బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఇక్కడ, సో LHS ఏం తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ మనం, ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ a1 into x1 of n ప్లస్ a2 into x2 of n. సో ఈ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ లోపల ఉన్నదంతా ఏంటి మనకి, ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్. సో ఈ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ లోపల ఉన్నదంతా ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ కాబట్టి, సో ఇప్పుడు మనం వై ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఎలా రాస్తామంటే, వై ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు క్వశ్చన్ మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు సిస్టంలో, వై ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏంటి, ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ప్లస్ 1 బై ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 1. సో ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ అంటే ఏంటి, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రాయాలి, a1 ఇంటూ x1 ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ప్లస్ a2 ఇంటూ x2 of n as it is రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ y of n is equal to ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, 1 by x of n minus 1. 1 by x of n minus 1. 1 by x of n minus 1 అంటే ఎలా రాస్తాము, 1 by a1 into x1 of n minus 1 plus a2 into x2 of n minus 1. So clearly I will write the equation. Clearly I will write the equation. So y of n is equals to y of n is equals to